Imagine waking up every day feeling powerful, focused, and in control of your health. That's what Healthy Temple is all about, helping you rebuild your body and mind one disciplined day at a time. I know how overwhelming the world of wellness can be. So many trends, so many quick fixes. But real transformation, that takes a holistic approach, and that's exactly what you'll find at Healthy Temple's brand new website. Let's talk about what makes this different. We're not just selling you a gym membership or a smoothie recipe. Healthy Temple is your everyday, full-day wellness partner, right from the heart of Las Vegas. It's fitness, clean eating, and intermittent fasting, all powered by cutting-edge AI health tools designed for real, lasting change. The Healthy Temple app is now live, and honestly, it's a game changer. I'm talking about an HT workout planner and longevity planner that show you where you stand and where you're going. There's even a health AI coach avatar ready to guide and motivate you anytime you need that extra push. Struggling with grocery labels? The Healthy Temple Dictionary ebook helps our customers understand what ingredients are in any product, so you know exactly what you're putting in your temple. And if daily discipline is your challenge, the Mind Plus Muscle program is designed to help you build the habits that stick for life. But Healthy Temple isn't just about tech. Head over to the HT Community Center to connect with real people for real talk on fitness, mindset, and intermittent fasting. The Healthy Temple social media network is built in to keep our fitness enthusiasts motivated and inspired. I know firsthand that information is power, especially when it comes to your health journey. Ready to take action? The new shop section is coming soon with supplements and Healthy Temple apparel. Our premium subscriptions are now ready to help people promote their health and fitness products, recipes, and workout tips. Go to submit content and share your expertise. All backed by customer support. It will take 24 to 48 hours to be approved. Then you will see your health products get the attention they deserve, as transparent as the top brands you trust. And let's be real, the new site just feels different. Clean, futuristic, and motivating, with Healthy Temple's signature blue, black, and white vibe. It's the kind of space that makes you want to show up and do the work every single day. So, if you're ready to cultivate discipline, build for longevity, and truly transform, this is your invitation. Your health journey starts here. Join the movement. Rebuild your temple today. Visit the new Healthy Temple website and become part of something bigger, because your body is your temple, and it's time to make it your healthiest one yet.